guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Helena, and today's video is going to be about becoming an HCA in the UK. And this video is a follow-up video from my previous video that I did in, I think, October 2020. I posted a video, which I'll put somewhere here, about how to become a HCA, and I dropped information about the entry requirement, pros and cons, told him about the uniform. I explained it in simple terms and also in detail in that video. If you're interested in that video, please check that video out, and I'll also link it in the description box and also the card above. I got a lot of comment in that video about how to apply for jobs as a HCA from abroad. I had to do my own research as well and found out that there is a new healthcare worker visa. So on the government website, there are several jobs who are now under like the shortage occupation in the UK. So that means that currently they have, less people in certain medical fields or healthcare fields. So they are basically recruiting people from other countries to the UK who are willing to do certain jobs, and healthcare assistant is one of them. So I thought I would just do a video quickly to summarize the requirements, who's eligible, and how the process works. Also as well, please check the description box. I'll be updating the description box or in the comments when there's like new information or any updated information. There's a shortage of staff, especially within the medical healthcare field. Currently there is the health and care worker visa, which is provided for people who have experience or qualifications related to different healthcare. And there is a long list, and I'll probably put them on the screen of the list, which is on the UK government website, which I'll also link in the description box. So check them out if you are someone that fits into this category. You have opportunity to apply for this visa. I'm going to go through who is actually eligible to apply for this visa. In order to apply for this job, you need a NHS job, or you need an organization who provides medical service to the NHS or some form of adult social care service. So that's one of the requirements. And from this organization, they'll be able to issue a certificate, and this certificate is called a certificate of sponsorship. And this is what you need for your application process for this visa. And it's a electronic system, and from this you'll be able to get a reference code which you would need for your application process. So this is very important for you to be eligible for this visa, and you can get it from your employee or whoever's employed you for this job. A common question as well that I've been getting on my Instagram and emails and everything is where to find these jobs. And I will just list a few that I know or that I've seen already. So good websites to use is obviously the NHS, Total Job, and Indeed. However, there are a lot more websites now that you can actually check. Another suggestion I would say is to type in if you're searching for the jobs, keywords that you could put are like tier 2 sponsorship visa, healthcare assistant, like in the keywords, so that will pop up first. So I'd highly recommend to add those keywords when you're applying for these jobs, so you can find out maybe like organizations that are actually looking for people who they can give sponsorship, especially the tier 2 for tier 2 visas or certificate of sponsorship. So that's another suggestion as well. And once I've got more links and more websites where you can check, I'll keep updating them in the comment section or in the description box, so please check them below. I'll just give you guys a rough example on my screen of jobs that I've seen based on me just searching it up. So you can go on Google and type in NHS jobs, or you can go on www.jobs.nhs.uk. So here, and I'm gonna type in healthcare assistant. Yep. Then location, you can put whatever location you want, but I'll put London and search. So you can see here there's 354 jobs found related to healthcare assistant. So let me just click the first one, for example. So this is the summary of the job title, job description, so what they require, so the person specification, as you can see all here. And the important thing is to check under where it says person specification is certificate of sponsorship, because this is what you need for the visa. So over here you can see it says applications from job seeker who requires current skilled worker sponsorship to work in the UK are welcomed. So that's a good thing. So that means you can apply for this job and will be considered alongside all other applications. So this is basically, a go ahead that you can apply for this job. Apply for this job and then, fill in the necessary details. Number one. So that's one way of trying to find a job. Another, for example, I mentioned Indeed. So I'm going to type in again, healthcare assistant as well. And I can just say, for example, London. And it will come up with, a lot of healthcare assistant jobs. But just to even narrow it down, you can put Tier 2 sponsor, hopefully I spelled that right, sponsorship, and then put health care assistant. Okay. Oh, let's see, did I press? And then it comes up with some jobs. So you can see here, let's just click a random one, for example. So the first one here, as you can see, so it's best to read the requirement to find out what they actually. So okay, for this one it says you must already be living in the UK and require the tier 2 sponsorship. So this is a bit different. So some people might not be in the UK already. Let's see this one. So it's obviously important to read what it says before you apply. Like, don't waste your time. So this one, it says Caremark is currently recruiting care workers who require tier 2 sponsorship to stay in the UK. Sponsorship. Candidate must already be living in the UK but need a sponsorship visa. Okay, this one is a no. This is only for, obviously, if you're already in the UK. Let's put care assistant as well. Let's see if we get more search. Okay, let's see this one, for example. So this one here, so they're currently recruiting for senior care workers who require tier 2 sponsorship to stay and work in the UK. So this is a perfect example of a job that you can apply for. So yeah, that's another. So another option as well that I know of is you can go on total jobs. Let's see. And then, health care assistant. Let's put tier 2 sponsorship. Ooh. Yeah, so then let's click the first one, for example. Yep. So this one is a care/senior care and support worker for children and adults, or children/adults. And it's got its specification, and what we need to confirm is, what type of work are they looking for. So let's see. So yeah, so we are an equal opportunities employer and welcome applications from candidates within the UK and internationally. So it says applicants who require tier 2 visa sponsorship to work in the UK will be considered alongside all other applications based on skills, qualification, and experience. So remember guys, even though you'd want to apply for these jobs, you still need to make sure that you have relevant experience, or you meet their requirements, their basic requirements that they've put on their websites. So these are just a few tips of how you can search for jobs, and I hope this is helpful for you. I thought putting a screenshot will make it easier so people know how to actually navigate these jobs. So the requirement that you need for this job to be paid, like the salary that you need to be paid, so what you should get paid per year has to be £25,600 or £10.10 per hour basically. But I'll put a screenshot of what it says on the website so you can refer to this, but this is what they've asked. Just to clarify and to summarize, so if you're applying to work in the UK as a HCA and you want to apply for the health and care worker visa, you would definitely need to apply for a job first. Make sure you check the website if your job is eligible for this visa, and you would also need to get a certificate of sponsorship from your employer. So they would issue this to you because you would need this to apply for your visa application. So other things you need is proof of your knowledge of English. Also you need a valid passport. You need other things, so like a job title, annual salary. You need to know how much you're going to earn. Also you need your job occupation code. You can find the job occupation code on the government website too. Next question is, how much does this cost? So the certificate of sponsorship is not something you pay for, it's actually free. The part that you need to pay for is your application. So your application for health and care worker visa, you'd have to pay for this application. And obviously you need to have enough money to be able to support yourself. I'll put the current application fee on the screen here. However, I'm filming this video in January 2022, so depending on when you're watching this video, obviously this could change, but I would always link the government website, so if you ever need to check the website and see what's currently there, you're able to check. But this is the current cost right now for the application fee. So as we'll just read with you, it says the standard application fee depends on whether you'll be in the UK for up to 3 years, which is £232 per person, or more than 3 years, which is £464 per person. So the fee is the same whether you apply from inside or outside the UK. If you are from an eligible country, your application fee will automatically reduce by £55 if you're from one of the following countries. So there's a list of countries, and this reduction only applies to your visa application. Yeah. And so for example, if you had a partner or children, they will still need to pay the application fee price. So in terms of how long you can stay in the UK, so according to the website, it says that the visa can last up to 5 years. So, and then after that, you'd probably have to apply again. So that's the short way to answer that. So it says up to 5 years. Yeah, this is the end of my video. I hope this video was helpful. I hope if you're wondering what the healthcare worker visa is, or if you didn't know about it, hopefully after this video you've got a little bit more information about what it's all about, what you need, the requirements, salary, etc. And yeah, leave a comment below if you have more questions. Hopefully other people as well can help you in the comment section below. Yeah, and also good luck. So if you are trying to apply for this role, good luck, and I hope it goes well for you. Yeah, so this is the end of my video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and share my video to anyone who's interested in applying for this visa at the moment. Hopefully this can help them, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.